Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. What I like about running for exercise is it's really simple. You don't need much equipment, but what you do need is a great pair of shoes. I want to show you these ASICS. These are the GTS 2010, and I really like these shoes. So I have used ASICS for a long time, many years. I used to run a lot more than I do now, but when I was running a lot, I always wore ASICS, and they are tried and true. They just do a really great job of providing the support that you need and staying really comfortable. So these ones are designed for a neutral or a slight overpronation stride, and that is what I have. So these are perfect. So it offers a light stability, but nothing crazy. And these are super, super comfortable. They have this really nice mesh foothold here, so they're really comfortable, and they are a little bit flexible. They give you a really nice spring, and they're really good with shock absorption. So my other shoes were getting a little bit worn out, and as soon as I switched them out, I could really notice a difference in my joints and the way that I felt. I realized that I really needed that shock absorption. So these are really doing the trick. They have a really nice tread. You get a good grip on the road, very comfy. And overall, I have been super pleased with these shoes. They're super light, very comfortable. They offer a little bit of extra stability, and they last a long time. I have many pairs of ASICS that I've had over the years, and they always really outlast other shoes. So if you're looking for some great running shoes, I would definitely check out these ASICS. That's my point of view.